Okay, here's a test of case number 2, which is a board with serial number ending in A31. It's powered up with my transformer, and this is the tester with the 2 motors simulated, and this is the run switch. So when I hit that, the green and yellow light will light up in sequence, showing that motor 1 and 2 are opening. Here we go. And then now I can stop the move by hitting the limit switch on motor 1 and then motor 2. So that cancels the move. And then when I hit run stop again, the red and orange will light up in sequence, showing the reversal of those 2 motors. And so they come on in sequence. And I can cancel the move by hitting limit switch on the red and the orange. And that shows this board running.